Good day everyone. Today we will study about excretory system. But before we start, let me give you the objectives of today's discussion. For today, first we will talk about what is excretory system. Then, how excretory system works. Third, what are the parts and function of excretory system. Lastly, what would happen in our body without excretory system? So first, let's start with what is excretory system. Excretory system is the system of an organism's body that performs the function of excretion, the bodily process of discharging waste. The excretory system is responsible for the elimination of waste produced by the homeostasis. Our body collects waste such as toxins, waste products, and carbon dioxide, which result from metabolism in the body. The excretory system removes these toxins and waste. All of this function helps to maintain homeostasis in our body. The components of excretory system includes your lungs, skin, kidney system. The lungs primarily excrete carbon dioxide, which is a poisonous gas for the body. Second, the skin excrete water and salt when it's wet. The kidney, however, is the most important part of excretory system.
Do you know which system of your body takes the extra liquid out of your body? The body have a certain parts which takes care of extra liquid. All these parts are part of excretory system, also called urinary system. The main parts of excretory system includes 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, bladder, and urethra. The kidney are 2 bean-shaped organ. All of the body blood passes through it and cyst filters the blood waste liquid and change into urine. The kidney is made up of several small cells called nephrons. They are like small filters. They keep all nutrients and good blood contain and convert waste into urine. From the kidney, this urine will goes into 2 very thin tubes. These tubes called ureters. From the ureters, it goes to the balloon-like organ called the bladder. When the bladder becomes full, it passes out of the body from a part called urethra. Do you know which organ help you to stop your urine for some time? There are some muscles lining around the bladder called sphincters. It stop and hold the flow of urine until you reach the washroom.
The parts and the function of excretory system. First is the kidney. 2 kidneys. These fair, purplish brown organs is located below the bulbs toward the middle of the back. Their function is to remove waste product and medicine from the body, balance the body fluid, balance the variety of electrolysis, release hormones to control blood pressure, release the hormones to control red blood cell production, help with bones healthy by controlling calcium and phosphorus. The kidneys remove urea from the blood through tiny flirting units called nephrons. Each nephron consists of all ball from the small blood capillaries, glomerulus, and a small tube called the renal tubule. Urea together with water and other waste substances. From the urine, acid passes through the nephrons and down the neural tubules in the kidney. 2 ureters. These narrow tubes carry urine from the kidneys to bladder. Muscle in the ureter walls keep it tightening and relaxing. This pours urine downward away from the kidney. If urine back up or allowed to stand still, a kidney infection can develop. About every Every 10 to 15 seconds, small amount of urine are emptied into the bladder from the ureters. Bladder. This triangle shape hollow organ is located in the lower belly. It is held flesh by ligaments that are attached to other organs and the pelvic bones. The bladder walls relax and expand to store urine. They contract and the patient to empty urine through the ureter. The typical healthy adult bladder can store up to 2 cups of urine to 2 hours to 5 hours. Two sphincter muscle. The circular muscle help keep urine from tucking by losing tightly like a rubber band around the opening of the bladder. Nervous is the bladder. The nervous alert a person when it is time to urinate or empty the bladder. Urethra. This tube allows urine to pass outside the body. The brain signals the bladder muscle to tighten. This squeezes urine out of the bladder. It is the same time the brain signals the sphincter muscle to relax to let urine exit the bladder through the urethra. When all the signals happen in the correct order, normal urination happens.
What would happen in our body without the excretory system? All of our blood runs through our kidney every day. There is arteries and veins that runs and out of each kidney to take the blood there and back. Without excretory system, that other parts of the body would eventually poisoned by waste. Our body also need to remove the waste that build up the cell actively and from this digestion. If these waste are not removed, our cell stop working and you can get very sick. For example, if the waste product in our body are not removed, we can have kidney failure. It happens when the kidneys cannot remove waste from the blood. If the kidney are unable to filter waste from the blood, the wastes built of the body kidney failure can be caused by an accident that injured the kidney, that loss of a lot of blood, or by same drug and poison.
Let's have some review. So, excretory system is responsible for removing waste such as toxins, waste product, and carbon dioxide in our body. The main parts of excretory system includes two kidneys, two ureters, bladder, and urethra. It works when kidney filters blood and waste and change it into urine. From the kidney, the urine passes to the ureters and goes to the bladder. When the bladders become full, the urine goes out of the body through urethra. If excretory system is out of our body, the other organs and parts of our body become poisoned by waste. So that's all for today's discussion. I hope you learn about excretory system.